Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CodeEshop. My name is Anant Negi and I am here to give you a demo on an Opencart module CES Terms and Conditions checkout page. Okay, just let me go to the admin panel. Okay, I am here now. For the installation purpose, what we have to do is only go to the installer and then click on upload and then upload the OCMod file for the module. As you can see, this only requires the OCMod file for the whole module to work. After installation of the module, you can see the success page, and now I will go to the modifications and refresh it. Okay, we have get the message you have modified modifications. So just quickly go to the front end, and I have already added a product, so we can just go and check out. And here's the next step. As you can see, what our module does is, in the front end you can see this terms and condition button. This button by default in Opencart opens a model, but after using our modification, this button functionality changes to not opening the model, but instead of opening a new information page. As you can see, if I click on it, you can see this that a new page is being opened, and here you can see all the terms and conditions that you have written in the backend configurations. Okay, this functionality is being used by a lot of customers nowadays, because most of the customers want to change the terms and condition pop-up to a page where they can show many terms and conditions, or as the terms and conditions are large, so it is difficult to be used in model, and it is also easy and good to describe the terms and conditions in a new page. So that's why some of the customers use this feature nowadays. So if you want this feature, this is available free of cost in our website. The link will be described given in the below section of video description. Okay, I will attach it, and then you can add the module at your end also. So I guess that's it for today. We will discuss about other module in the next videos. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel CodeEshop, so that you can get latest updates. And also if you want and have any suggestions for us, you can comment down below in the video, so that we can update our new functionality in the modules, and it will be very helpful for us in the growth and for your new functionality features also. So that's it for today. Thank you.